Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mercedes E-Class key battery full guide. Press the small release tab on the key fob to open the case, remove the worn CR 2025 battery safely, check the orientation, insert the new CR 2025 with the plus side up, and snap the case back together. Test the remote functions and reprogram if needed. I'll walk you through each step calmly and clearly so you can save time and avoid damage. I'll show the simple tools and safety tips you need for this job, like a small flat tool, a clean cloth, and fresh CR 2025 batteries. Start on a clear table, work over a tray to catch tiny parts, and avoid touching the battery surface with greasy fingers. If your remote shows erratic behavior after replacement, recheck orientation and contacts, then test locking, unlocking, and panic functions before reinstalling in your pocket. Quick ad break. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link in the description and other deals there. Thanks for supporting the channel, and if you want more car care tips, stick around. I appreciate you. Now let's get back to the video. If the key still fails after battery replacement, try cleaning the contact points gently with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab, then dry thoroughly. Check that the battery tab and spring are intact, and confirm the remote battery matches your key model. For persistent issues, consult your owner's manual or a dealer for reprogramming options, and I also share quick tips to prevent corrosion and prolong battery life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.